Hi everybody, my name is Dalton, otherwise known as the instructor. Today I will be showing you how to do a full in-cab check. Here we go. My wheel is stuck. First and foremost, I switch on my ignition and I'm going to wait until the indicators lights go. Then I will be starting the engine. Okay, the indicators light go, I start my engine. Making sure that my air pressure is at 100 psi. Here I go, putting my air pressure at 100 psi, revving my engine between 600 to 900 RPM, and waiting until the air pressure reach 100 psi. Then I'm going to stop to rev. Okay, my air pressure is at 100 psi. Here we go now. My fastener is tight, safe and secure. My hook, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. Pull out my seat belt, I'm looking on it. My seat belt has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My lock mechanism is working, safe and secure. My tether belt has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My fasteners are tight, safe and secure. My tether belt, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My fastener for the tether belt, safe and secure. My seat is in a set position and my seat can adjust, meaning it can go forward and backward, safe and secure. My glass and rubber has no crack, no damage. My driver's side glass and rubber has no crack, no damage. It's going up, it is going down. My windshield and rubber has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My passenger glass and rubber has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. It is going up, it is going down. My driver's side mirror has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My two hood mirrors has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My passenger mirror has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My blind spot mirror has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. All my mirrors are adjusted to me, safe and secure. I'm turning my steering to the left. I'm looking at the wheel. Turn my steering to the right, looking at the wheel. Turn my steering straight. Make sure my wheel get back straight. Now I'm pulling on my steering. My steering respond normally, no extra free play. This is my city horn, this is my highway horn. My left indicator is working, my right indicator is working. My wiper blade has no crack, no damage. The rubber has no crack, no damage, safe and secure. Now I'm going to try my wiper on all the speeds. And I pour in the wash. Here we go. My wiper is working on all speed, safe and secure. This is my light switch. This is my four-way indicator, working safe and secure. My oil pressure gauge is working safe and secure. My coolant temperature gauge is working safe and secure. My RPM gauge is working safe and secure. Give a little rev. My speedometer, I will know when I go on the road. My fuel gauge is working safe and secure. My two air pressure gauges are working. They are in operating range 100 psi. There is no warning light on my dashboard except for my parking brake and my seat belt. This is my tractor brake. This is my trailer brake. This is my trailer emergency brake. All my switches is looking good, safe and secure. My dashboard has no crack, no damage, it's tight, safe and secure. There is no object between my dashboard and my windshield. I will now check my heat and defroster. Okay, put it on the heat, put it on the defroster. Here we go, checking the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it on the face. Try it on the foot. My heat and defroster is working safe and secure. This is how I do a full in-cab check. I hope you like, share and subscribe. See you soon.